I am so hungry. I ate nothing for breakfast. I ate anything? I didn't eat nothing? Wait, I didn't eat anything? Anything and nothing are two words that can be really problematic for a lot of English learners. That's because anything and nothing have the same basic meaning, but the way that we use them is different. Today, I'm going to show you how we use anything and nothing, and I've also got one more tip for you towards the end of the lesson, so be sure to hang around for that. Let's study together. Welcome to this English vocabulary lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to study English here with me today. Let's dive right into how we can use anything and nothing. First of all, we use anything in negative sentences and questions. I didn't eat anything for breakfast. We all thought it was strange that Tom didn't say anything to his boss. Hey, did Kathy find anything on sale at the store? On the other hand, we use nothing in a positive sentence. I ate nothing for breakfast. We all thought it was strange that Tom said nothing to his boss. Kathy said that she found nothing on sale at the store. In summary, I can say I didn't eat anything for breakfast, but I can't say I didn't eat nothing for breakfast. In a similar way, I can say I ate nothing for breakfast, but I can't say I ate anything for breakfast. That's the rule. And the bonus for today is something. We use something in a positive sentence, like nothing. I'm going to get something to eat. I'm really hungry. Well, it looks like Tom has something to tell us. And finally, we use something in a question when we offer something. Would you like something to drink? Can I get you something else? Here's something else. If you want to remember this or any vocabulary, you need to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. You can also take your sentences and write them in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.